welcome to all, and I declare the Ukrainian and Hungarian Open is open now.
So here we are in Kruševo, Macedonia. Exactly, this place is not Kruševo, this is a sport airfield in Prilep, in between Prilep and Kruševo. The place is called Malo Konjari. This is village nearby. So very often we are using this landing field because it's giving us free space, so no risk for approach. That will help quite a lot to Ukrainian pilots, to Hungarian pilots and the pilots around the world that arrived here a few days ago to join Ukrainian and Hungarian Open 2014 in Kruševo, Macedonia. So yeah, that's quite a long story how it started. With Hungarian pilots I met first time in 2004, if I'm not mistaken. That was pre-European competition. I was also meet director there in nearby Serbia, in Niš. So a big group of pilots from Hungary, they were there, so we established some contacts and I'm meeting them even today. With Ukrainians we started in 2009. That was their own initiative to come to Macedonia. I don't know how really it happened, but since then, year by year we are contacting them, they are contacting us, so we have this collaboration and we are working quite